Alright, we're back again today. Today we're gonna open Paldean Fate Mini 10. It's a seal case. Let's go.
When you can't figure out to open it. Oh, they actually tape it, didn't they?
No. All it is a shrink wrap. Usually the goal is to display like this. Should be 10 packs.
Y'all shrimp wrapped it too?
No, these you can cheat. That's why you don't want it. Buy it individual. 10 mini tins. Each can will have 2 pack each. Let's go.
Is that which one you're looking for?
I'm just looking. They got the same artwork. All same. It's double the same artwork. See how easy it is? You could cheat. You could literally just do this. Take out the pack.
Paldean Fates. Man, they can't make anything better now. Hidden Fates. Paldean Fates.
And there you go.
Take a sticker.
2 pack per 10. Hopefully.
They're all Paldean Fates?
Yeah, they're all Paldean Fates. Hopefully the cards are good. These mini 10 are pretty bad when you put the packs in there. They could get bent. Alright, let's go with these first 10 packs. Let's go. That's like an ETV.
Grass Energy, Charterden, Clopopus, Baroom, Donphan, Naomi's Backpack, Octo, Grabber, Execute, and Landorus, and Mimikyu as our rare. Charterden, Clopopus, Baroom, Whimsicott, Scrappy, Ultra Ball, Moonlit Hill, Pikachu, and Apon. So far, so bad. 2 packs, nothing. Psychic Energy. We got V in the back, or is it EX? EX in the back. Paldean Students, Whimsicott, Scrappy, Terla. I don't know what's called. No, and a Charizard EX.
Take that Charizard EX.
I wish it was the actual Charizard though. So which one are we looking for this one?
Pikachu or the Charizard?
Okay. I think it's the first one, Shaggy, Wooper, Mousehold, Landorus, Primate, Shiny Wiglet, Baby Shiny, Globfish, and Extrovert. I forgot we could get Baby Shiny, so god. So far, 2 hits out of the many hits around. Mark out this. Steel, Swallow, Clove, Katira. I was about to scream, but no, it's the wrong one. And Magmarius. What is that? I can't see the Pokemon name.
Espatra.
Espatra? What? That goes to your Charizard.
This is a mini Tim.
This is mini Tim though, so let's still go. That goes to your Charizard.
Hey, yeah. This one. Ooh, dolphin.
Okay, when you kick him.
Scraggy, Quadra, Nespa, Lantris, Tessamasu, Mula Hill, and Totocrow. You got 4 hits out of the many hits you can get. I forgot how many cards. Oh. Cloffifish, Ridgeback, Dedenne, Amstrad, Landorus, Mula Hill, Smoliv as our Baby Shiny for today, and Cyclus as our rare. Everyone gonna love Smoliv.
Ooh, this is who is it? Mommy, Daddy, Leo, Joshi, no April.
That's sad.
What? Look, this is a dolphin.
Scraggy, Villa, Scrappy again, Electro Generator, Swoolbat, Fortress, Scraggy, and Garnivore as a rare. Garnivore is. Charmander, Cloffifish, Quatra, Clove, Katira. What the hell is this?
We got a Mew.
Blue Mew, but it's still good.
Take a Mew.
No, and he will talk. Oh, we had to get that one. You could have gave us Charizard. All the suspense was killing us. But then again, that's not the Charizard. It's not the Charizard color.
Last pack for the first 5 mini tins.
Psychic Energy. Okay, we got Dedenne, Mew. No, it's Rare Candy, Swoolbat, Gengar, Winklow, Charizard.
Alakazam.
My God, no, the feet! Hit more. And I was about to say, oh, he's a Charizard.
Pretty good.
Let's get the fucking feet.
There's a lot of hit on that mini tin.
Yeah. I forgot Charizard's not that color scheme. It's shiny.
Alright.
A little mini recap, or are you gonna finish all of it?
Finish all of it. You might want to open. Forget it.
We're gonna take out all the tins first. I don't know why it's so hard to open. Is it that hard? Weak spot. What you want?
Get that charizard this time.
It's so hard to open these things.
What did he want? Look! Oh. No, you got a whole bunch already.
Empty. Okay, let's go.
Go, 10 pack.
10 pack.
Round 2, let's go.
Round 2.
Yeah.
You better hope these are better than your previous cards.
Raising the first one, look, a lot of hit.
Stop it.
Okay. Now you know rare candy. No title, something. Donphan, Clove, and Professor's Research. Girl version. That's this one. Fire Energy. Mankey Fiddle. Graveyard. The Dunspun. Nest Ball. Charmeleon. Graveyard again. Noibat. And Houndstone as our rare. Dark Energy. Paladin Students. Lapras. Scraffy. Quatra. Katera. Gengar. Panthy.
Wow.
Palafin, you come back! No! And Apon.
I'm amazed that's the first Paldean we pulled.
This is the first Palafin we pulled today. Palafin was notorious to be pulling every day. Lapras, Mischief, Barboach, Camerupt, Charmeleon, Electro Generator, Shiny Baby Staryu, a Grimagle, and Exeter. Okay, where's Misty? Misty, why is your Staryu here? Shiny Misty. No. Paladin Student, Cotton, Swoobat, Clove, Winklode, Woobat, Wooper, and Magmar as our rare. Man, this whole area is a dud.
Yep. The last 5 so far has been doo-doo.
I hope you're gonna get some good hits. Mischief, Barboach, Leechonk, Charmeleon, Gengar, Winklore, Wallow, Fido, and Excavator. Wallow, why does it look like you're ready for a funeral? I'm sorry.
Halfway point. Let's go.
We're
Let's
past
see.
the halfway point. Rare Candy, Mouse, Barbo, Charmeleon, Ultra Ball, Primate, Execute, Nest Ball. I'm Paladin Students.
This one so you can hit so easy that it's like 50 cents a card.
Paladin Students?
Yep.
So the sunshine rays and shine like these ones? Dedenne, Chimcho, Pikachu, Nest Ball, Grapplock, Ione, Haunter,
Oh,
Trio.
More trio. Almost thought it was something good.
Like what you? Yeah, we're gonna come out now. They didn't do an art for charizard like this, didn't they? That's like pretty expensive. We got V's. We got Navi. EX probably. And the Kobe Punch, Bravard, Noibat, and a V. Great Tusk.
What?
That was gonna be a Charizard. Alright, last pack for this mini 10. Total of 20 packs. Let's go. First 5 was good. The last 5-10 was straight doo-doo.
Fido, Haunter, Mime Jr., Camera, Cloviv, Please Something, no, Pami, and Hiroton. I mean, Pami's good.
Little recap. First 5 pack 10 was good. The last 5 was doo-doo. Powie, Great Tusk, Trio, Paladin Student, Dolly, Staryu, Palafine, Gardevoir, EX, Smoke, Tentacruel, Esperanza EX, Wiglet, Baby Shiny.
What Baby Shiny?
And then the bigger hits is we got an Alakazam EX, a Mew EX.
Those are shinies.
A Charizard EX. I don't know. It wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst. Until next time, keep it ripping, hunting. Peace out.
And subscribe for more.